Big up Crosses TV.
CrossFit Stevie. Mando don't black CrossFit Stevie because remember so me have to cover CrossFit Stevie have to cover when I go on over here.
One people them kill you.
Yeah.
Me go tell you the youth the artist name fully bad.
Mm.
Him. This one I send fully bad after you.
I know full, but I'm on different youth, you know.
No,
I'm on different
no,
youth.
I fully bad peoples.
Yeah, but we are saying full bad people. We talk,
A
yes.
fully bad people. I'm a fully bad coming up, but a fully bad people.
Oh,
Yeah, Miss Wong, I work with them people there. Yeah. So, me I go do something and send it in your inbox and me I go get Ukuto. Cause I'm smart out here. So what me I go do?
one Suzie.
One Suzie. So
Got the icon out them on.
anything happen to you, them know where to go and where to do. Yeah. Yeah. Me know what me I go do. Yeah, when Poochie done, I'm gonna make Poochie do it for me. And I'm gonna send it all over the place. I'm gonna make Post put it up. I'm gonna make everybody put it up on them page. So if anything wrong with your out in a sea view,
Yeah, because them say them a happy line in
yeah,
a post.
we know where it come
Susie them.
from.
Say,
We know where it
Susie them
come
say them
from.
a happy line.
Miss Wang send gunman
And
for
nobody
kill
can
Indian.
talk to them.
Miss Wang send gunman for kill Indian yesterday. On Yang bike. Yeah. Yes.
I come and talk about me now run again, brother. Brother, oh me now run again. Brother, me no want none of them in my lane go suck on the mother. Me none of friend of that me I tell you.
You're there. So the boy
Cause
what?
yeah,
So
now
the
no
boy
man
in India.
none of friend, nobody. Yeah, come on. I talk about me not run again, not pussy not run again. Where.
Jesus
If me not
Christ,
run
Miss Wanga
again, you
send
not
man
run
for
again,
kill
batty boy go
Indian.
suck your mama.
Yo, this Miss Wang right now. Crowbar
This
bomber
is what,
clock.
yeah, me song some waste girl man. I, I make some youth do something and now give them no fuck. It's just a waste girl. And them the man wait till man head sip. And them the man them head a go sip and kill her. You know, and girl no pussy but for one program.
India, I'm gonna do something for you. Don't worry. Me know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make everybody put it up. Yeah. And that I'm gonna do. Say anything happen to India, them extradite her from England. This one we not play with you out here. Leave the little boy. Stop sending gunman and your family when I see you. I fuck with the little youth. I'm gonna call Seaview police station. I'm gonna send your
Yeah.
name. I'm gonna send your picture. So if anything wrong with Indian, the Jamaican police them can contact England police. We not play with you out here. Cause you send gunman to come fuck with Indian on Yang bike. You want to take the little boy life. We not play with you.
About them bossy and them will full of guns at you so. Me no run no
Mumbo
way.
Claude, hear the people. Talk it again.
Me no run no way and them will full of guns at you so.
People, you see, some never did a lie.
I be a gun talk on the line, man. Me know man I come and talk be a gun talk. So man a dopey bat.
You're not the Indian, nothing out here. And we are make sure you go down. Oku in the ear, Miss Wang I do. We not play with Miss Wang. Me know what I'm gonna do. Me know what I'm gonna do. Who you wake up? Let's see how this pussy are. How this are sending request. You hear that? You hear that? Oku? Oku?
Susie,
Nah,
me talk,
yeah.
me hear when I say me talk and I talk.
Indian I say man come shoot
Well,
and I ask him
if
behave for
Indian say man come shoot, Indian know what to go report it to the police.
yes.
Go to the police,
Yes.
Susie. If
No, me I
Indian him
call,
go,
me I go call, me I come off and call Seaview police station and send her a picture
yeah.
and then something there, yeah. I go
Well,
report her.
if that happen, Indian go to the police and report the boy.
Yeah. No,
That
no
shit
report
do.
her, report Miss Wang.
Yeah,
Uh,
and the boy, what she said.
yeah. We are gonna report it.
Cause the police just
No, me
left
I
my
go
house.
help him. Me I go help him.
Susie, the police just left my house. So
Okay.
Indian. Go report her.
Right. Me go report her. And she a send strange man for watch on Indian for hurt him. And she a do it. Yeah.
True Suzie.
And she.
True, my fix ya yard do it, man. That's why I'm gonna come pay live, you know.
Yeah, and she a do it. Yeah, I understand, but she not there no more Indian. That's okay. I'm go help you Indian. Me know me go do.
Because everybody accept
Yeah,
the
me say
line.
them at yeah.
I'm up on the line, so wouldn't not cost me.
All right, yeah.
Thing there, no.
Yeah.
And me song them a cuss and all them, but suck them mother them a waste people on the internet, come on the internet and set up them.
Right there, so.
And big pussy shut up girl. If you come here yard right
I
now,
would Tanya, man.
Indian,
Indian,
big
Indian, me
pussy
uku
shut
cash.
up girl. If you come on your house right now, you can't lick me. If me and my beer father pull up on your house, my English beer father, with him so up, you can't lick me. Shut
Bombo
up.
class. Uku bad.
So blood clot reported.
I wish she was a sugar though. Beat her again.
Yeah.
You put her and beat no, and you beat her. It look like she want more
You beat me
beating.
already, so why you want to
My,
beat me again? You beat me there for
mighty
order. So why you
God.
want to beat me again? If you come at your house with the water, you can't lick me shut up back. Because water they lick your back. Why you have to shut up back?
Me no know. So what big back over there say now?
After what she has said. After what she has said.
Big back.
Because she must think my beer father born a blood clot in born a Jamaica. She must
Big
think
black.
him born a blood
You
clot
don't know so
Jamaica. Him born blood clot yes so.
you don't know so Uko baby father now play with now play with you know big back. Back a back short back. You want to show salt in her face. You can't. Oh, you go do a war again when Uko beat you. So I wish she want to beat you. God.
But you ask strength if anybody come out yard and turn a baby father gang. Yeah, because you think the yard is just strength. Because to your mother you can't use that. But walk on the road and shut up. My son family them are bad people, my blood clot Lucian. My beer father them people them are bad blood clot people them. And them know everything a blood clot go on. So when you say shut up back, when you say
Big
think
back.
oh shut up back,
Big back.
other than that for them to come up on the road and walk on the road. And don't
Bombo
lock up in your
class.
house. Walk on the road and don't lock up in your house.
I saw Uku bad. Bombo clad. Big
And
back
that's
shut
the
up back.
back. Walk on
Oh,
the road and
blood
don't lock up over
clot.
your house.
Boy, yeah.
Suzie, what did
Center.
my son, babe? What did my son father say, Suzie, on the live?
And none of them touch you, then would have fish, then would have get fucked up.
Okay.
One dolly.
She
Dolly
must think a
pose.
blood clot joke. She must think a blood clot. She must think when him do not, him go straight back a blood clot. Jamaica. Him born here.
But when I send threat from morning, when I this from morning, moving a dirty blood clot. Oliver, you can't threaten me. But don't tell us I'm going to make American police deal with you. Morning,
So,
everybody. You have a blessed good morning post.
so
Blessed day.
Alice go suck your mama. Alice go suck your mama and say a waste man.
Big,
Oliver.
big blood, Oliver. Big shutterback blood clot. Big back. Thinking old, thinking short. Move your dirty blood clot. You can't do Uku not no. Uku come kick up your blood clot man name. Dirty teeth, blood clot rallying. Uku spit in him face. Yeah, Uku slap your blood clot when you hold her neck. That is it. You know, no, you never beat Uku. You draw the machine pan the blood clot ground and act like you eat Uku with it. Uku could leave with no scratch. Move your blood clot. Uku said, do that and walk round. Come out to your house and walk round. Move your blood clot.
Now we don't
Big
want to
back.
walk on your blood clot door. If you tell the people them say, we come in out, do that and walk on the road over Lucian. Walk on the road over Lucian. We don't want to walk on the door because we don't know the door. We don't on the street. Get your
Big back, blood clot, shatterback. Where Miss Wang say, you're going to do surgery and take out blood clot. Stuff under your belly bottom, you're nearly dead.
my mother
Hmm?
dead.
Hmm?
Doctor give your mother blood clot 3 days for live. She should have dead.
And your mother have 3 days to live. How me with a blood clot know that? I saw no one friend, but do not tell you no business. In 3 days, your mama for dead. Your mama sick out of dead at Jamaica. In Tanya, you're there on the internet we mix up. You're there on the internet we mix up with your mother did a dead Tanya. Tanya, you're wicked, you know. You're wicked blood clot, Tanya. Your mama sick out of Jamaica. Sick out. The time when she just sits in her mama kitchen, I cut up the meat, you remember live there. And
Yeah.
I post and done at them time there. Our mama sick out of Jamaica, Miss Wang say.
Yeah.
So Miss Wang tell me,
Shut
straight
up,
back
shut
like a bone arrow.
I'm so pussy, Miss Wang. I never fuck her that. I tell you, sir. You dey pay your cocky and she call you for your phone and she tell you, say, blood clot, the big dirty woman mother, they pan the sick blood clot, the bedline, when you left it dead. Miss Wang tell you. You say
Yes.
the story, I say your blood clot, share the story.
Right, so I couldn't know
One
that.
Oko badness.
Me couldn't know that.
You know, I'm telling you for your blood clot phone. Say, if Miss Wang never come with a suck,
Tanya go suck,
you know
mama,
what?
who you man, Tanya?
You know, if Miss Wang never come on the live with a suck cocky mouth with the well, Oliver stink up her cocky Oliver stink up her mouth with him cocky water. You wouldn't know Tanya blood clot business.
True. Beat a man and get them blood clot right. That is so true.
Got to tap the blood clot woman where the woman call you and says she have fibra and the fibra is out her pussy and her blood clot.
And she back and forth in about 6 times to 7 times she go back in the hospital. Tanya do 5 surgery, Miss Wang say. Her belly swell up to gone to the ceiling top. Yeah. And when Raleigh help her beard, oh God, man. Mighty God of Daniel.
Oh, that's why she come and say my baby father being because the fiber is stuck up in her pussy.
The whole of belly button right now. I don't know if you take care of. Miss One said the whole of belly button right now, everything right now.
Yeah. I believe you, Suzie. I believe you.
Tanya know it's true because you know why? Me couldn't know that.
You know why Tanya can't say no. You know why she can't roll up on blood clot Miss One because she's lonely. Or
No, I know that. She no want admit to it.
Yeah, that's why
yeah.
she have to keep her mouth shut.
Yeah.
Tanya, waste girl.
Indian just wait the man. She have to keep her mouth shut. She have to keep her mouth shut because she knows her true and she not have nobody. She lonely. So she knows her true, Miss Wang say. She don't want the people them laugh off her. Suzie. Can you know it's true? Suzie.
Morning, one Indian badness, one icon badness, one puss badness, one Indian badness, one Uku badness. One.
Right there, so top of the morning.
Right there, so. Miss Wong, at this year, you and diary them can't come back over here. At this year,
waste girl, yeah. One puss badness. One puss badness.
Right there, so. That's a mad them because they can't come back over here.
Them a mad out post.
I talk mad out them, one real. And that's a mad, we just so quick for me. I'm Suzie when me say.
Indian.
You know so
quick. Indian.
You know so quick them open the gate and I run, come over and I run them back.
Yeah.
You know so quick there, the one of them run over and I say, lift up. Let go. And run them back.
Yeah, they mash up, them head mash up. Them a
yeah, them are mad over there.
See me a 2 reel, me rub out 2 reel this morning. Wicked.
Because batty boy.
add him to the live, you know, and friend him, you know. Me say,
yeah.
the whole I'm batting wall. Me say the whole is so now. Me say me save the life.
Hey, she dropping batty wall in a Miss One patch it face. I'm patch up my face.
Me fuck out.
These are morning everybody. Because remember, me tell us everybody cuss and war. Crossy, Stevie, Melman, big up yourself, everybody. Everybody cuss and war, but it's when the wickedness start and the evil and the people out here so do things and put some spontaneous thing and talk the words. And as we say, we go through some, we talk some things, and like me say, Suzie, where we go on bad, and sometimes that's most time we have to control ourselves and know because picnic, it looks so bad, and sometimes we have to you understand, we can leave out picnic for true, you know what I mean?
True. Sorry for cut you. And you want to make it publicly straight. I'm not force you, I'm not telling you. Yeah, Nicole, what done?
I'm good with Nicole, man. I wanna cheer for me now.
No,
all right.
You know why I'm asking for
all right.
Listen, man, I want to cheer for me now, dog.
True.
You know why I'm asking upon the life? Because you know them stay, them love make page and say you and you and you. So you just have
yeah. But Suzie must learn to so them stay, remember?
Listen, man, I'm good, man.
You're not depend on no more. I'm not forced
good. I want to cheer for me, you know, when the pussy them turn against me, you know, dog.
Yeah. You know, Mr. Come. You know, Mr. Nicole, dog. All would lead to Suzie. We are root to Suzie, but that's how we are going to make it burn them. And it's natural. And like we say, I cuss, and we cuss.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, we already have no problem. We're done with the problem with you. We're done. Yeah. And as we say, we are your cool. So maybe on cash screen no different, but we're not gonna really want cash screen name. We are style the body. We don't want them style. We don't want style. We don't want that because that's because confusion. We have big woman Suzie and we can talk about things and we can get ignorant about things, but we have to respect each other because that's why this always happen because we have to talk about if we see so we are gonna jump up or we are gonna go and go stuck your mother and that. Me not need that. I mean I depend that. We are going to talk, we are going to shout, because we are going to do that, but we can't go, if we are going to be neutral, we have to make it be neutral. We custom where we are custom. If we are going to fuck off, stinking girl, yes, we can custom, but we can't, we not have to go, big pussy girl, go suck your mother. Your mother sometimes is neutral, but we don't have to go so them suck your mother or pick me part. You understand? Can look good. But we go cuss and go and stick pan where we are stick pan.
Right.
That's why a lot of them don't understand how these things don't work out here because as them kick up, them go to the deep. That means them want to tell you these things a long time.
Yeah, because watch how it war now. Them could have leave me. All right. You see when me and Miss Wong, me think I only did I go rejoice now.
No.
We just the people them when we rub are watching now, we just don't run brushy.
Yeah.
The whole of them over they take brushy file, the whole of them they we right.
Yeah. So I see it, and God do it, you know. You see, God is when God at work. God working mischievous, but that's why they tell him say, you're mad, but you're mad with sense. And that beat them, but them mad and have no sense. Cause look how you think. Look what you think. Look on quick thinking.
And that's a quick
thinking you use your IQ upon them.
Yeah. I'm saying, so when I map out the ends there, I map out phone ends, I map out feed them ends. Because she know enough, say, them did a weird pan we don't fall. So when I map out phone ends,
them are weird pan it.
Yeah,
can them know them have you up. Even them talk to you. This is the thing when people have you up, Suzie, if you understand. Yeah. You want somebody curse. And if you curse, even you talk to them, so them don't have you up and can't wait for you tear down. Just when you tear down, let me tell you, actions speak louder than words. So as you tear down, like you say, you see the tear down. You know where you are curse. A curse, we are curse, and it's just normal, we just a curse. But then have you up. It's when you have up people and still deal with them, you can't wait for something to explode.
Right. Because me not gonna lie, when the war broke out, that's why me hold me cool and me the black car, me I say, you know what, we not give the enemy nothing. But me I talk about who know over there stuff. But when me look and do stand on my put the page and me I say, me say who are rejoicing. Me I say, bumper clock. But I know we and them did I do the things them because look how they did I roll. Tanya behind Miss Wong and Karen and Miss Wong, Karen and Tanya them in a groupie, Zine and But when it tear, look what them do now. Karen Green Book, Karen come and say, she never said nothing till you come out of the comments, you know. She said,
Yeah.
yo, Miss One, come over here, so I make Susie stay over there. So imagine you come on at the comments, you say, Susie, I go because you don't rub me and look at the dirty woman do. I'm a pin the comments. Zine and my friend, if you see Karen just said so. And you say, Bumbuckler, when me and Karen have. And Karen just said, Miss One, come over here, so. And you over there, so. And when me look,
Separate.
yes.
So you see, and them separate it, you know, you do it, you know.
And them, yes, Karen. And Dr. Tanya, I'm looking and say, Jesus.
Yeah, because Susie, remember Tanya and Karen are missing in a group, in that group there. So obviously Karen